Here we are. Hello everyone. Um, Back with another unboxing. Before I said that we were now going to have all artists that we have not seen before, I was wrong. This one, we've seen the artist before. This one's by Jehsee. I have 3 other pieces by her, I believe. Um, they're on the channel. I will be making playlists at some point so that way for the pieces that are by the multiple pieces that are by the same artist will all be in the same spot. Um, but this is the last one that I have by her, and it is around. My other announcement is because I just got the last of the diamond paintings I ordered. The way I'm going to be unboxing these will be a little bit different. Before I was doing 2 square and 1 round, but for these last 9 pieces, including this one, it will be 2 round and then 1 square. Yeah, I think that is all I have for now. So I'm gonna give you some information on this. This is Painting the Roses Red. Again, this is a round piece. There. And some information. This is currently $54.99 American. This is a 22 by 29 inch or 56 by 74 centimeters. 17 colors with 1 AB, so a total of 18 colors. 52,337 diamonds. And the description reads, take a new perspective on Alice's relationship with the Queen of Hearts. Pick a card in a game where you have stacked the deck. So, gonna give you some of the info that's on the box. Right here we have a discount QR code. Mr. Kimchi is leaving us for now. On the back we have the contents and a quick little rundown on how to diamond paint. I moved my lamp, one of my lamps I should say, so the light's coming from this direction, and unfortunately it still has that yellow hue, but we will survive. So again, this is a round piece. This is the toolkit. I'm just going to open this to see what the cover minder and the washi tape look like. The rest of this is your standard toolkit things. So it looks like we got a blue heart. Oh, he's back. You want to see? Do you trust it? Is it safe? And our washi tape is some squiggles. And then we have a yellow pen with a yellow squishy. So these are going back in the bag. These are going up here. I've been collecting them all up on the shelf above my stuff, which once I clear it up, I'll give you guys a better look at sort of my crafting space. Oh, flip-flops here. Hello. I just got home from work, so he's being a baby. Here's our sticker. Yeah. You wanna see? Okay. Can you move your tail? Thank you. All of your Diamond Art Club kits come in this lovely dust bag for protection. Oop, that was the box. Don't worry. Jump scare for you and me. Hi, why are we both convening up here? What conversation did you guys have with each other while I was at work that you were like, you know what? Let's both be on the desk at the same time. I can handle one of you, but both of you is a bit too much for me. So I keep these dust bags for storage if I'm not able to hang up my projects right away. And we have our lovely thank you stuff. Here is our thank you pamphlet. Highly recommend getting the app. It lets you know when there's restocks, when new kits arrive every Saturday, and if you join the rewards and you get up to a certain point, you can get a 30-minute head start once things are on Saturdays when there's new kits. I'm trying to... There we go. There we are. We have our sticker sheet. Like I said, 18 colors. Our AB is 1 for 1, which is white. And these are all individually cut. So there is 310 in here. I'm guessing there's going to be a solid amount of 310 in this because of the checker background, and it's a bit dark. Here's our drills. They are labeled in case you store your drills separately from your canvas. Now, I'm gonna move some of the cat dust. I live in the desert, so everything is dusty all the time. And I'm gonna roll this backwards so it is nice and flat for us. Diamond Art Club canvases do flatten quickly. I am just doing this for the sake of filming. And yeah. I'm hoping... I pushed my desk back against the wall, so I'm hoping it will fit in the space. But we will see. Oh, just barely. And it's a nice blanket for Mr. Kimchi. Can you move? No, you're comfy. Okay, well, I'm gonna pull this out just a little bit. There we are. Okay, so I'm gonna give you... Okay, he's set. And I will turn this so we can get a better look at some things that we're not really able to see at the moment. But I want to give you a quick rundown on what to expect on a Diamond Art Club canvas if you've never gotten one before. At the top here, we have Diamond Art Club Do It Makes You Sparkle. On the top left and the bottom right down here, there is a legend. At our bottom left, we have a thumbnail, the title, the artist, the size. In the middle, we have the social media. And down here, we have a nice little warranty, lifetime warranty. Anything happens to the kit or the drills, you know, you spill them, the kit, your canvas is ripped, you order something and the drills and the canvas don't match each other, you let Diamond Art Club know, and they will do what they can to get things right for you. So, I am going to turn this, and it looks like the 310 is just the outline for everything and not the background. Thanks for scooting that ½ an inch, bud. What? Okay, so gonna so as you can see this dot, which is like at this point seems to be, I don't know if it's always been this way, but the more I've been opening these, seems to be sort of the default for 310 is just the black with the white dot in the middle. That's all gonna be your 310 or your black. And then I want to show you where the AB is. So the AB is white. So that will be the white in these flowers. This card up here. Again, these flowers. The bill of this swan. I believe it's called the bill. There's some in her eyes. Again, flower, card. This flower, cards. And then at the bottom, because my cat won't move and I don't want to move him, he works hard. He has to hang out with flip-flop all day. There we go. At the bottom, again, the card, and the highlight on the paint coming off of the paintbrush with the little skull. And then here's another like quicker look or closer look at the bottom of the canvas. I think we're out of focus. There we are. So there's the social media, warranty. I haven't done this for all of them, so if you've wanted a closer look at what the bottom of the canvas looks like. But also, as you can see, just how nice and clear these Diamond Art Club kits are. But yeah, so it looks like the 310 really is just going to be outlining everything. Yeah, the only issue for me that I foresee happening, because for you there's a lot more contrast, but for me, from where I'm standing, because it looks like it's a 2 and a 9, for me in person these look really close to each other. So I will have to see what these look like whenever I'm able to kit this up finally. But everything else is really good, at least for me. I do always say I wish there were a little bit more AB diamonds. Oh, you know what? And there is some white AB in her like apron frock. I don't know. Frock's what they put on your head, right? I don't know what the anatomy of a dress is. So whatever this portion is. Excuse me, sir. Hold on. We have cat drama occurring. Sir, can you chill out? Everyone? Okay. But I do want to show you our drills really quickly. And then I'm gonna have to wrangle these felines because Mr. Grumpy Gills here has a knot that needs to be cut. Alright. You hang out there, bud. You have such a hard life. Okay. A little tip for you. when you kit up, save this bag and you can put all the trash in here so it's not just floating around. Makes it a lot easier to clean up. Ooh. And make sure these are all facing. Oh, this is just one big strand. Okay. Alright, so we'll do this one, free one. This is 3687. You cannot see what I'm showing you. I apologize. There we are. 3687. 2 bags of 550. 4 bags of 154, which I'm not sure why this looks sort of brown to you, but this is purple. This is a dark purple. I think it's still yellow. If you don't know, brown is just like really, really dark orange. And I'm assuming color theory here, because the light gives off a slight yellow tinge, and because purple has red in it, it's trying to make brown. But I promise you, this is purple. Oh, there we can kind of see it. 2 bags of 327. $3,747. This is a really pale purple. 762. 963. 3727. 819. This is a little bit more pink in person than in the camera. Just ever so slightly more pink. 155. 2 bags of 209. 3705. 208. Here's our ABs, the white, and hoping you're able to see it. ABs have a sort of iridescent or opalesque coating on them, so they are extra sparkly, and they make the grills around them extra sparkly as well. I hope it's coming across on camera. But yeah. 340. 2 bags of 3743. Again, this is a very this is purple. It's coming off as brown on the camera. It's a really pale purple. 3 bags of 310, which is black. And 2 bags of 3865, which is white. So, again, from here on, the rest will be by artists that we have not seen on the channel yet, and the order of diamond shape has switched. So tomorrow will be another round, and then a square, and then continuing 2 rounds in a square. But I do want to hold on, I apologize. Give you another look at this before we go. Felt like this was decently quick unboxing today. But here's the top half. Again, everything's really clear. I've said before, I think they've kind of changed the way that they've what's the word? Formatted the canvas. compared to some of the older kits I have, you'll be able to see, like, it seems like now they're making them so that way they're printed more like square canvases than the older round ones. Whereas the older round ones, there was a lot more like color variation when it came to the symbols. Whereas with the newer ones, it seems it's printed so it looks more like the piece. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but if you're able to go back, I have some older pieces that you'll be able to see it in. I can't think of one offhand. I know I did one recently where it was like a. I say older. I don't mean like super old. I would say maybe over the like course of the last year or so. But here's the bottom. There we go. But yeah, this is a really nice, as always, very clear, very good looking. But that is all I have for today. I hope that you guys have a good rest of your day. Remember to drink some water, eat some food, maybe go outside and go for a walk, and do some self-care. We all need to take care of ourselves. Do a little bit of self-care each day. One thing each day for yourself. Today I went to the gym and got some Starbucks. So, yeah, remember to take care of yourself. We live in really hard times, so do a little bit for yourself each day. And I will see you tomorrow.